Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check whether your phone is 4G or 5G. There are three methods to check whether your phone is 4G or 5G. First method, go to settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to about phone. Go to about phone and read the model name. Look after S91, that is third digit of this model name. If it is more than 4, that means your phone is fully 5G. Okay. If it is less than 5, okay, then you can understand that your phone is 4G. Here the digit is 8. Okay. After S91 it is 8, so your phone is truly 5G. This is first method of checking whether your phone is 4G or 5G. Okay. Then next method, again go to settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to display, and here select motion smoothness. Here read the refresh rate. Screen refresh rate is set to maximum 120 Hz. If it is maximum 120 Hz means your phone is truly 5G. Okay. If it is less, if it is only up to 60 Hz, then you can understand that your phone is 4G. Here up to 120 Hz is given, so your phone is truly 5G. Okay. This is second method of checking your phone is 4G or 5G. Then final method, for that again go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to connections, and here select SIM manager, and here select more SIM settings, or click on any SIM card, or you have to go to mobile network and click on network mode SIM1. If it is supporting 5G, it will be visible here. Okay. Here it is written that 5G, LTE, 3G, 2G auto connect. Okay. So up to 5G it is supported. Click on the second SIM 2. It is also 5G. Okay. So you can understand that your phone is truly 5G. Okay. So third method, just go to settings, then connection, then go to mobile networks, and here select the network for SIM1 or SIM2, and here if it is written 5G, then you can understand that your phone is supporting 5G. Okay. It is truly 5G. Okay. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.